Experiencing FPS drops, lag, or slow performance in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone? Welcome to this video where I will guide you through quick solutions to address these issues and optimize your gaming experience. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Configure the graphics setting on PUBG Mobile. Open PUBG Mobile, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Tap Settings, tap Graphics and Audio. Now first, decrease the graphics mode. Select HD or Balance. Now for the frame rate, select High or Medium. Scroll down, turn off the shadow. Now tap OK and restart the app. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out PUBG Mobile, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Free up storage. Try to delete some unused apps or games or any files from your iPhone. Once you have free storage on your iPhone to play FIFA Mobile well, mostly your problem will be solved. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background app refresh, tap Background app refresh again, select Wi-Fi and mobile data. After implementing these steps, if you are still encountering slow performance or lag issues in PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, don't hesitate to reach out in the comment section. Thanks for watching.